So hello guys, here we are in the final module. So before we start, you need to complete the first and second module. For that, you can check the solution playlist. It is present in the description. Also, do subscribe the channel. Now just open the module, basically open the third module, and there we'll be completing it. So just open it. Now here, come to the bottom, and first thing is that you have to just launch it. Okay, you have to simply launch it, and then only we'll move forward to the next step. That is basically how we have to complete this module. So it will be a detailed guide because many of you are asking that we want explanation video. So first of all, come over here, and from here we have to open the agent vibes. Okay, agent vibes, you can see here that the settings icon is present over here. You have to simply click on it, and then just open the agent vibes on a new tab. You can use right click and open in a new tab, or you can press the mouse wheel over here. So now wait for the agent vibes to open. It takes some time, and do not worry about it. All the things will be covered in this video, so just stay tuned. Here you can clearly see that the agent vibes is visible over here, and you are signed in also. So here, if you are getting error like we are unable to log in, you are unable to log in that case you have to start from the module 1. Basically you have to re-sign up using the developer account, and then only you'll be able to get it. Now from here, just click on it to activate the agent vibes. Follow the video carefully. Sometimes what happens, there may be some lag because the video duration is little bit longer, so it may have a lag. So make sure to follow the video carefully. Okay, I'm just trying to explain each and everything. Now here, come to the lab instruction, and from here you can see that the Agentforce adventure tool name is here. You have to copy it, come to the main page. Okay, and just paste. Do not paste on the setup quick find. You have to use the app launcher. You have to click on it, simply paste over here and just open it. Now here we'll having a dice roller. Okay, we have to configure the dice roller and just complete the lab. So how we'll do it is a very easy lab, but I'm going step by step. I'm not skipping any step. It will be a detailed video so that you are able to complete it, because you may not find any video which is just explaining the concepts how we are completing it. So now from here, just click on this D21. Okay, you have to simply click on it, and then you will get a output over here. So just click on it. You can see here we have got one output. Now the role has been saved. Now we have to modify the roles, and just how we have to do, you have to just configure the project over here. So how we have to configure the project, first of all, come over here. You can see that we have got this output over here, and we have used this only. Now here we have to just come to the Agentforce app to fix the thing. Okay, sorry, you have to use the Agentforce to fix the app. Now here just copy this. Okay, copy the prompt. Come to the lab instruction. From here you can see use Agentforce to fix the app. Copy the second number prompt, and then you have to just come to here. Okay, in the Agentforce 5, and then paste and hit enter, or just use the send button. If you are unable to see the send button, basically if it is unclickable, in that case you have to refresh the browser window and reload it. Now here just wait for it to get configured. We have to just auto approve or approve also. So do not worry about it. Now after that we have to, you can see here, if it is asking to approve, you have to approve it, and then after that we have to modify the files, create and manage all the things. So just stay tuned and wait for it to get completed. So here, come back again to the address tool over here. Here you can see for modification file we have different commands for different operating system, like for Windows and Mac. All things are mentioned on the lab also. Just follow the video carefully and let's complete it. So finally we have completed the first task, basically that. So just come over here, and here you can see we have to press Ctrl Shift plus C. If you are a Mac user, you can use CMD command. Basically both mean same, but here we have to just see the file. So which file we have to see? The manifest folder and package XML file. So if it is not present, do not worry about it. We have to create it. Now many of you may make mistake, like if you click on any folder, Then if you create the file or folder, it will be directly created on that folder, basically on that parent folder only. But we have to just create the project in the root directory. Okay, the folder and the file, the folder should be in root directory and the package xml file should be under it. So if you directly try to create the folder, if you try to directly create the folder, then it will be under the folder, okay, in the existing folder. In that case, what you need to do, let me show you. Okay, you can just click on this and directly create a folder. I'm showing the error part because many of you may make some mistakes, because in previous video I tried to explain directly via lab instruction, but many of you had make mistake. So now you have to just follow as I'm doing. Now here we have created a folder. Now create a new file. Make sure manifest is selected and then you are creating the file. So we have created the package.xml file also. Now we have to add the content over here. You can see this content we have to, so use the control V to paste it, and after that we have to save it. You can press control save or command S for Mac OS. Like this you have to do it. So first thing we have successfully done. Now we have to enable the Agentforce icon. Okay, it's very easy task, but due to some, if your screen is small, basically maybe it is not visible, you have to click on it. If you are unable to find it, you can click on the three dots and select the Agentforce 5s. Now run this basically prompt, we can see you have to run it and just paste and hit enter, or you can use the send button. Now it will just start initiating all the steps, and here it may ask to auto approve. In that case you have to auto approve also. Now it's still working, do not worry about it. It takes time, this lab is a little bit lengthy, so it will take some time. So make sure you are having water with you. Now again click on the approve option and then again it will just start doing its task. Again click on approve button. So finally all the tasks for this one has been done. Now we will move forward to the next step of this module. So just stay tuned. Meanwhile, in case you haven't subscribed the channel yet, do subscribe it and like the video. Also for other challenges, new challenges of the Salesforce are also live. You can just check the playlist section or description box of this video. From here, click on the settings icon, command palette. Now here we'll be running the command. You can run it, there is no issue. For that, you have to come back again, or you can just try over here. You can just see it that if it is not matching, in that case, you can come to the lab instruction and copy it. Let me show you how you have to type it. You can just see as I'm typing, you have to just type it like this, and here you can clearly see multiple options are listed over here. So here we have to just select one. Which one we have to select? Let me show you this one. Okay, just click on it and now it will just initiate all the things over here. So here it's just initiating all the things, do not worry about it. And if you are getting any error, you can let me know in the comment section too. So this is the first thing we have completed. Now we'll move forward to the next step, and it's very easy step, so do not worry about it. Now we have to just verify, okay, whether the files have been added or not. If the files are not added, then you have to repeat the steps and just follow as I did earlier. After that, we have to just format the code. So let's verify. For that, click on this icon and then you can see here that the folder, where is the folder? Here is the folder. Okay, main default, and then we have to just click on the classes. You can see the directory how we have to follow. Force app, main, default, and then classes. Okay, then classes they have mentioned. And one more folder is LWC. So if you come over the classes, you can clearly see above the classes folder is here. Okay, just under it, then you can see all the files are successfully added. Now once the file is successfully added, you have to use command P and control P for Windows and just copy this file. Okay, follow the way I am doing so that you are able to complete it. Now just press control P and just paste the file name, and then here multiple files are here, but we have to select the .cls file only. Okay, we have to select the .cls file. Okay, so again use control P and just paste over here and just select the file. Okay, you can see control P was there only. Now you have to start a new task and copy this prompt. So again click on this Agentforce icon, click on start new task, paste the prompt and just click on this send button. If you are unable to find the Agentforce Vibes button, then you can click on these three dots and just select the Agentforce Vibes. Now wait for it to get completed. Here you may be asked to select auto approve or run. You have to just follow as I am doing. Just I am completing the lab. You have to just follow and you'll be able to complete it. Just stay tuned and you will be able to get full score on this particular course. Now here you can see we are getting run command option instead of auto approve. Do not worry, you have to click on it, and if you are getting approve or auto approve command, you have to just click on it and then just run one by one. So it's running, and if you are facing any kind of error, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll try to update you with the latest possible solution. Again click on the run command option and then only you'll be able to complete it. So just click on running and wait. Now here you can see it's working. Just type Y and hit enter. You have to just type Y and hit enter. If you are getting error, do not worry about it. All things will be resolved. Just follow as I am doing in the video and you'll be able to complete it. Now again click on run command. It's again proceeding. Just wait for it to get completed. So finally it's installing the files and this is done. The next step is still running. So finally another command to be run. Just click on run command and it will be updated over there. And finally this step is successfully done. Now just wait for this. So finally this step is completely done. You can clearly see. Now we have to move to the next step of this module. So which is the step? We'll discover it in the lab module. As of now, if you are getting this kind of output, that means you have successfully completed this particular part of this module. And now we'll be heading towards the next step of this module. So come over here, and here you can see we have to just run this prompt to just fix the new bug. So copy it from here and just click on start new task, paste over here, hit enter or just use the send button. Now here if you are getting, again I am repeating, if you are getting any option to auto approve or just run the commands, click on it. Just basically just follow the video and you'll be able to complete it. I am reminding it again and again so that you are not forgetting anything. Apart from this, many of you are asking about the Google Cloud Arcade challenges, how we can win Google Swag. So for that also I have made a dedicated video. You can check the video description. Also discover the courses section for multiple events. So just wait for this part to get completed. It's working and just processing it. After that you can see, if you see the basically lab instruction, you can see the new task which we have to complete, and you may find it difficult, but all the tasks are very easy. I myself have completed and that's why I'm able to make a video. It's obvious. So basically just follow the video and it will become very easy for you to complete. I know the video length may be a little bit longer, but at least you will be getting a full score. That is more important than that. So just wait for it, and if you want to read the instruction you can always read it, but I personally feel that video tutorials are far better. Now click on the save option. If you are getting this, you have to just save it. Finally the error has been fixed, we have to use save. You can use the control S and command S if you are from Mac, and for Windows it's control S. You all know the shortcuts. Now you can see we have to just add a new prompt. Basically come over here and just, you can see this run command is there, just run it. So finally it's taking some more time. After that we'll run a new prompt which we have copied just now. So just wait for some time. Meanwhile, in case you haven't liked the video yet, do like it and subscribe the channel. This is the first project which is to be completed. The other two videos, as I have shown, it's already present. Now here we are here, just come over here, and in case you haven't copied this, because just copy it from here, click on start new task, paste over here and hit enter. Now it's just initiating that. Basically we are deploying the dice roll service file, so just wait for it to get completed. So I think it may ask to auto approve or run command. So let's see what happens next. So yes, now they are asking to approve it. In case you are seeing this, you have to simply click on the approve button. So just click on the approve button, and I don't know why the auto approve option is not working, but earlier it was working. In such cases, just wait and just try to approve it manually also, as I am doing, so that you are able to complete it. So just click on auto approve. In case the, sorry, in click on the approve. Okay, don't click on the auto approve, because auto approve is currently not working, I think so, because I have already enabled, but still it's not working. So let's move ahead and just click on it and approve it. So just click on approve. It will take some more time. So finally this step is also being done, and now we are done with this step. So now we'll be moving forward to the next step. Now if you want to run the command over here, you have an option. So just copy this. Okay, you can also run this to deploy it. So I'm just showing you another method also. So there are multiple methods. You can see, click on this settings icon, command palette, and just paste over here and just hit enter or just select it. Now here you can see we are just seeing it, and you'll get an output over here. So finally you can see it's deployed, as we have already deployed using the Agentforce. So it's showing the state as unchanged. So this is the thing I wanted to share. Now this is the second thing also we have completed, and the first also already done. Now we have to test the dice over here. Okay, we have to test the dice controller, and then we'll be just moving forward to the next step, basically running another prompts. So first we'll be testing the dice. So just come to the adventure tool page. Okay, you don't have to do anything as of now. After moving to the adventure tools page, we'll be able to just test the dice, and then we have to make some modification and test the prompts. So we are in the Agentforce adventure tools. Now here you have to select the dice. Okay, you can select whatever I'm selecting. You can try with different dice also, there is not an issue, but just follow whatever I am selecting so that you are properly synchronized with the video steps. So here we'll be selecting one dice. So before that, what we need to do, we need to refresh the browser window so that the changes are propagated to our basically app or dice tool, we can say. So for that you have to just reload the browser window. You can reload twice, or maximum 2 times is more than enough. So just reload it and just wait for some more time. So we are reloading the page, and it's finally refreshing it. So finally the page has been successfully updated, basically our quick dice roller tool. So here we'll just move to the dice also. If you want, I repeat, you can reload the browser again, there is not any single issue. Now click on this D8, we got this output. Now you can see we are getting this kind of output over here. So we have pressed one key, and then just come over here, and if you want you can press any key, like I'm pressing this one. And then similarly you have to just come bottom also, and then select the dice button. Okay, Basically we have to just activate the dice button, and it will just roll and just send the output whichever we are getting. So here we have multiple outputs over here, so just check it out. Let me show you how you have to do it. Come over here, click on it, similarly come down and just select one dice one by one. Okay, you have to just click on it like this. Do not worry about the number whichever you are getting, just click on one by one. So finally we have selected all the dice. Okay, now we have selected all the dice, we have got some outputs also. So that means our dice app is basically dice roll app is working and fine. And then we have to just come to the again to the Agentforce page and run some prompts, fix some errors, deploy it, and just test it again at the later part of the lab. So this part is successfully done, and just come over here, and here you can see this dice roller.js. Again use Control P, paste the file name, and just hit enter. So finally the roller is updated. Now here we have to start a new task. For that, copy the prompt, click on start new task, paste over here, just click on the send option. Again you have to see that here that the prompt may take some time, and it will again modify all the files, and then we have to simply save it, and then in the next step we will just running one more prompt. I think so, I'm testing the dice, so just wait for it, and if it will show, basically again I think it will ask for approval. So if it asks, you have to click on approve option. So just wait for some more time. So it's just enabling the API request. So here you can see this thing is asking to read the file. So here they are mentioning the file also. So yes, they are just modifying the files. If you see, the files are getting updated over here on the right side. The changes are being made, and it's very easy. Now you have to simply click on the save option, and then I'll show you another method to deploy the same thing over here. So you can see the save button is enabled. You have to just click on to save it. If the save button is not showing, you can use Ctrl S to save the file. Now here we are just saving the updated file over here, and finally we are done with this particular task. And let me show you how you can deploy it. You can see it, the file is still working. So again it's taking some more time. I think we have to resave the file again because it's just modifying. Yes, we have to resave it. So now click on the save button again. Simply click on the save button. You can see that we have successfully saved. Now it's time for deploying the source to the organization. So here you can see we are getting all the tasks. Basically what things they have done as a prompt, they are just showing over here. So now this is done. Now you have to deploy the changes. So just copy the prompt, or you can just use the manual deployment also. So just paste over here like this. First you need to click on start new conversation or start new chat, and then only run it. Now here it's just initiating all the things, and again it may ask to auto approve or save. So just let's see what happens the next. So here it's working, just initiating the tasks. You have to just approve over here. So for that you have to click on the approve button. Again click on the approve button. I hope it clears your doubt. I know we have to follow all the, basically this lab may be hectic for you, but still we are completing the lab and we are getting full score, and basically a cool Salesforce goodies, basically the mystery box, by completing all the course. So it's very easy. Apart from this, you are learning also some new things and how to interact with Salesforce. Again you can see here that we have to click on the approve option again. So just click on the approve option, and just click on the approve option over here. Again click on the approve button and then just wait. So just you have to just follow whatever things are being done on the video, then only you'll be able to get the score. I know I am repeating it again and again because I don't want to miss the basically if you make a single mistake you have to redo from the start. So just follow as I am doing so that you get full score on this particular course. So we have approved it also. Now here it's running the request and let's see what happens next. So I think we have completed all as it's just rolling out the what task he has completed, basically the chatbot. Now here if you want to just manually deploy, you can just copy it and just come to the command palette. How to open the command palette, you know it. Settings, command palette, paste over here and hit enter. As we have already deployed using the AI agent, you can see here that it will show that no changes have been made. Okay, it will show that no changes have been made, so do not worry about it. You have to just follow. Yes, everything is fine. Now what we need to do is that we have to just come to the lab instructions again, and I think we have to just run another prompt or just test it. So basically here we have to test the dice only, and I think so. So just first of all reload the browser window. Okay, you can reload twice also, there is not an issue. So no, yes, now we are in the last stage of the lab. So just click as I am clicking. Okay, you have to just select the dice like this only. You can see we are getting multiple outputs over here, and this is the way we have to complete it. Now finally we are done with the complete course of this project module. So do like the video and subscribe the channel guys. If you have any query you can let them in the comment section. Thank you, have a great day ahead. All the solutions are already available on the channel. You can check the playlist. If you want to know more about different events you can just explore the channel. So thank you, have a great day ahead. Have a great day ahead. Good.